Ripcord Test Designer and Test Management Tool, which is developed by TestClean Solutions Private Limited. Ripcord is the next generation of test case design and test management software. There are many freeware and shareware tools available in the line of test management software. Example Quality Center, Spira, Jira, Zephyr, etc. All these are popular tools help to manage the requirements, test cases, releases and generate reports. But none of the tools help you to design the test cases quickly and economically. The tool which is developed by TestClean Solutions Private Limited provides you with control of every stage of testing life cycle, such as from the test planning to reports generation. And this is the only tool has the test case design solutions and manage them throughout the life cycle. This tool is a domain and technology independent. In this tool, there are many solutions that are available, such as create test based on the objects, definition test for the actions which are transactional, menu test. If you have any menu or structure in place, design the test case for the entire menu using menu test. Field level inputs. For a page, it has many fields and it covers various inputs. You can design the test case using field level tests. If the workflow in place for which we design the test cases using modular based tests. If the screen shot in place, we can use the GUI test for designing the test cases. For any pagination vanilla flavor, we can use the pagination test. Ripcord Test Designer and Test Management Tool architecture given in the slides below. Apart from the test management lifecycle, there are a couple of productivity tools which helps for test engineer to execute the test cases quickly, and also there are many test case design solutions which helps for designing the test cases effectively and economically. And you see, from the first node of the workflow is the manage project, which when the project kick off and the project and details will be entered here, and move on to the modules and then requirements, child requirements associated to a parent requirement. You can create a scenario for a parent requirement or child requirement and move. And next important activity for the test case design, these test cases can be designed for a requirement or for a scenario. Afterwards, you can associate either requirement, scenario or test cases to a release and push them to execution. During execution, any defect arises, using the manage defect screen, user can log the defects, and finally it generates the reports at various roles at various interfaces. As we discussed before, there are core features available in the Ripcord Test Management tool, such as the test case design solutions. All the test case design solutions are highlighted in the workflow. Later on, we are going to discuss one by one in the next slide. But in this slide, we are going to discuss about manage menu test helps in designing the test cases with consistent steps for the entire menu structure. Consider a product. It has 5 menus and 6 submenus for each. To customize the product for a new customer, development team takes less time to quickly change the positions of menus and rename them, whereas test engineer cannot design the test cases quickly and ready for customization. Using our manage menu test, the test engineer can create and validate the menu structure before designing the test cases. This structure can be quickly customized and altered when the scope changes. Let us take the small example, the menu structure, which has 2 menus and each menu has submenus. And the solution helps in creating a menu structure as shown here. Afterwards, the test cases generated with constant step and expect result for the entire menu structure. Let us move on to the Ripcord Test Designer and Test Management tool to view the Manage Menu Test, how it helps for creating the test cases. Navigate to Manage Menu Test in the Ripcord Test Designer and Test Management tool from the Test Creator menu. The test engineer specify the menu type, whether it is a level 1, level 2 or level 3, level 4 based on the menu structure, and specify the menu name and what action that is required for each of the menu. Based on selection of the object, step and expert result will be displayed, and before creating the test cases, the user can simply view the menu structure by clicking menu view menu flow. As soon as click the menu flow link, the menu structure will be displayed in the pop-up, and it can validate whether it is correctly defined the menu structure or not. Once validation of the menu structure, the test engineer can click the generate button to generate the test cases along with the consistent step and expert result. And before save the test cases into the system, he can set the priority, severity, multiple keywords and status along with whether it can be automatable or not and it is a positive test case or not. The saved information will be displayed in the below grid with the test case count. What are the benefits of managed menu tests? It saves up to 80% of design effort and can generate the test cases faster than writing the test cases manually, and can easily trace between the requirements and test cases, and can categorize the test cases quickly by associating the keywords, and easily remove or alter the test cases when the scope changes. And now, apart from the test designer, as we discussed about test management tool, what are the different phases that are available in the test management tool? It is a management phase where you can create a projects, set up user authentication and authorization, and also set up permissions to the various roles and also track the requirements and scenarios. In the test case phase, there are a couple of solutions are in place which helps for designing the test cases quickly, and also there is a review phase, execution phase, report phase. In the execution phase, not only for the execution, the test engineer can log the defects and track to closure using defect lifecycle. Thanks for viewing the demo. If you have any questions or more details, go to www.testgleam.com, which is located in Bangalore.